Hi friends, welcome to Data Info. In this video, we will talk about fifth question in 100 days of SQL and 19th in real-time cases. So the question is, we have the access to the data from the electric billing system detailing the electric usage and cost for the specific household over billing periods for the years 2023, 2024 and 2025. Our objective is to present total electricity consumption, total cost, total average monthly consumption for each household for that year. Display the output in ascending order for each household ID and year of the bill. So basically, we have the access to the electricity database. So basically, this is our source data. If you see here, billing ID, then household ID, which is nothing but house number, then billing period. Basically, this electricity will generate the data for each and every month in that year. Okay, then consumption for that month, then total cost for that consumption. So this is our source data. It is very straightforward one. If you see here, for this particular household, 12 months data under 2023. Same way you might see the 2024 also. Let me filter out the data. So we have 3 years data. So we have 3 years data. Let me filter out only 2023. So 36 records that is expected because we have three customers. Three customers means three households: 101, 103, and 102. So we have 3 years data for each and every month. What is the consumption and what is the cost? So this is about our source data. And our question is, by using the source data for each and every household in that year, what is the consumption? For that year, what is the consumption and what is the cost for that aggregated consumption and what is the average consumption in that year? So what is the average? For example, if you see for that year, what is the average consumption? That value also we need to specify. So let me write the query for that. So before writing the query, we need to understand in our source data, we have monthly data and that too 3 years data. Okay. Now what they are asking, our objective is these 4 points. So your objective is to present total electricity consumption for each house in that year for that year. So let me go to the SQL server. So this is what we have. They are talking about each year, right? So let me filter out the data. Not filter, let me display the data for year wise. Oh, so for that, if I go to date column, this is our date column. So from this data, we need to extract the year, right? So directly what I can do, I can use this thing, right? Left of my billing period, billing period. This I can do, right? From my table. So what it is displaying? It is displaying year from that date. So I'm fetching the date year by using this particular formula. Okay. So now we got the year, right? Year wise data. Now what I need to do is for this year, what is the total consumption? So for that, what I will do, let me remove extra columns. I need household, house, household ID, and also year, billing year. Let me rename the column bill year from billing data. Group by also, we need to include these two columns. Why these two columns means they need aggregated data for each and every house and for each year. So due to that reason, in grouping also, I'm including these columns. Let me run now. Yeah, now I got the expected data. So for now, three customers means three houses and 3 years. So nine records. For this particular house, 3 years data. For this particular house, 3 years data, and also 101, 3 years data. Yeah, we got the details. Now we need to do the aggregation. Total consumption means on top of consumption KW column. So let me do the aggregation here. Sum of consumption as consumption kWh of year. Year-wise consumption. Year-wise consumption. We have 12 months consumption individually, but now what I did for the 12 month, what is the aggregated value? Okay. Then same way, next thing is total cost. Total cost also we need to do the same way. Sum of your total cost. So what is the column name? Total cost. Total cost is the column name. Total cost, total cost, total cost for that particular year. Total cost for that particular year. Let me run now. Now I got this. For that year, what is the total cost? Same way, we need to do the average consumption. Average consumption on top of this column. Average consumption they are saying. So instead of summation, we have to do the average. Average consumption for that year. For that year. Now I got the average consumption. Okay. Average consumption also we got it. Okay. Now what else we need? We have to do these four things. Total, your objective is to present total electricity consumption for that year. Total cost also we did, and average also for that particular house and for that particular year. Then ordering the data by using required columns. So what they are saying, the output in ascending order of each household and each year. Okay. So order by household ID and each year. And each year means billing year I can take. Billing year I can take. Let me run now. Now this is the sum. Here I did the sum, but this should be average. Average of consumption, the last column. Now 345, 345, 621, 621, then 4141. Yeah, we got the expected output. So this is very straightforward, but we need to answer very carefully because they are asking to find out the aggregated data. Aggregated data means consumption for that year and the total cost for that year and average consumption for that year. So we need to fetch or we need to aggregate the data year by year. So that is the key point number one. And also what they are saying, they want to see the data in this particular order by household and year in ascending order. So key to observe these 2 points here. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.